All right, welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. Different type of video today, really looking at a special day really. It's my birthday, so my wife has got me something called Hawksmoor at home. Pretty cool actually. They give you a whole letter signed by some guys at Hawksmoor. Sounds really cool. So what do you get? Let's get into the crux of the video. So you get this creamed spinach, looks all right. And then we get this, looks like something for sticky toffee pudding. We've got some clotted cream. We've got some, sticky toffee pudding. Yep, that must go with the sauce here. Amazing. Then we've got these, what are these bad boys? Beef marrow bones. Oh, they look pretty good. And we also have the creme de la creme, which is this, wow, look at that. 38-day dry aged porterhouse steak. Wow. That is some beastly piece of meat. That looks amazing. So we've got a bit more sauces here. I think that goes with the sticky toffee pudding. Then we have this. I'm not sure what this is. Let's have a look. So these are Matt's Ultimate Oven Chips. Thank you, Matt. Hopefully they're ultimates in size. So let's take a look at what else you get in terms of the beverages. So, this looks quite nice. Thornbridge Collaboration Session IPA Hawksmoor. Looks pretty cool. And we've got two of those. And then let's see what's in this canister here. So if I just open this up quickly with one hand. What's in here? This looks pretty cool. All right. Ultimate Dry Martini. Shaken, not stirred. Very, very nice indeed. And now we have this. Looks like some wine. What's in the wine? Let's have a look. Sorry about the messy video. Oh, a Rosa Prado. And there you go. So if you're looking for a nice meal in for two, definitely recommend this. Comes with all the meat, comes with all the trimmings, comes with some dessert, and comes with some alcohol too. So those of you who are looking to do something for someone's special day, this is definitely something to do. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and speak to you soon. God bless.